Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Weather Dynamics Unit. I'm Ms. Ledwell, and in this video, we'll talk about surface ocean currents. Let's begin. The major oceans of the Earth include the Arctic Ocean around the North Pole, the Antarctic Ocean around the South Pole, the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest of all the oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. An ocean current is a large amount of ocean water that continuously moves in one direction. Like wind, ocean currents also move thermal energy around Earth. Water, because of its high specific heat capacity, can hold a tremendous amount of energy absorbed from the sun. The oceans can serve both as a major heat sink, absorbing energy from the sun, as well as a heat source, transferring energy to the atmosphere above it. Because nearly 70% of the Earth is covered by oceans, and because the equatorial region of the Earth is mostly ocean, most land is located in the northern hemisphere, oceans have a major influence on weather conditions around the world. In Newfoundland and Labrador, there are two ocean currents that have the greatest impact on our weather and climate: the Gulf Stream current, which is slow and warm, and the Labrador current, which is fast and cold. The warm Gulf Stream brings warm, moist air to the coastal regions of our province during the winter, resulting in mild temperatures. Similarly, in the summer, the cold Labrador current brings cooler, moist air to the coastal regions, resulting in fog, drizzle, and rain. The mixing of warm and cold waters from these two currents brings the province heavy fog, especially along the coastline. There are two types of ocean currents. There are surface currents, which extend to an average depth of 200 meters, and deepwater currents, which occur deeper than 200 meters. The movement of surface currents is caused by three factors: wind, the Coriolis effect, and the shape of continents. Wind pulls the ocean surface water with them as they move, causing the ocean water to move. The direction and speed of surface currents are dependent upon wind direction and speed. The spinning of the Earth on its axis affects wind and ocean currents. As Earth spins from west to east in a counterclockwise motion, this movement causes the Earth's winds and ocean currents to turn and be redirected. This change in direction caused by Earth's rotation is called the Coriolis effect. Moving currents are forced to turn when they meet the solid surface of land masses or continents. This affects the path the currents take. Now it's time to continue to the next video. Before you do, take a 30-second break, stand up and stretch, then continue on to the next video where we'll talk about deep water currents.